Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Audi Q3 maintenance light reset. Now, first of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and we're gonna be using these buttons over here. The menu button, this left bottom corner, and the scroller. And the scrollers also act as a enter button, so you can press on this one. And we're gonna be looking at this screen right here. First of all, go ahead and press menu, and when you press menu, you're gonna come to this page, and now use the scroller to go to the car indicator and press enter on that. And then, as you can see, the system, the word system, go ahead and press on the bottom corner, left corner, like I told you before, earlier. Press on that, and now scroll down to service check, enter on that. Scroll down to service interval display, enter on that. Scroll down to reset oil change interval, enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on that. And we're done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.